According to the latest information from the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department, there are around 63,000 emergency calls, where 38% emergency calls were fire calls, involving buildings, vehicles, forests, electrical appliances, which is about 24,000 calls within 6 months. That is from January to June of 2020, recording 69 deaths and 223 injuries from cases reported. Within this period of time, worth of asset loss is approximately 1.3 billion ringgit Malaysia. That is only for 6 months in Malaysia. There are many more cases reported throughout the year, ranging from forest fires to gas leakage. Wildfire may be caused by various factors such as high temperature, gas leakage, accidental ignition, oil leak and many more. In addition, most fires are reported to be in rural areas, where households are exposed to most fire emergencies. Our household is said to be our little paradise. Facing wildfire upon once may cause severe loss. To save your beloved sacred havens, we came up with a new and fresh idea. This is the iFast, the intelligent fire alarm system by Ingenuity Solutions. Before the existence of iFast, the conventional way of detecting a wildfire is through human detection or by a smoke detector device that can only detect smoke from a fire, which in most cases would be too late to handle. Then, human interaction is still needed to inform the fire department and to activate the alarm to alert the masses near the location of the incident. Due to this, the fire department will take some time to react, due to the time taken for the information to be shared and received. This is where iFast comes in handy. The device consists of 4 types of smart sensors that can automatically detect smoke, heat, flammable gases and fire. iFast also include a GPS and an IoT system that allows for a quick response to both the fire department and the owner of the iFast installed property. With the GPS system installed, the fire department can swiftly acquire the location of the incident, as the information will be shared on the website dedicated for the device. The iFast is a user-friendly device, as people can easily access the info through the website. It is also consisting a lot of advanced system, with such a low development cost. iFast will directly interact with its user without any intermediate message from developer. As the system in iFast is built up with advanced programming, the device will not send out an alert the moment it detects anomaly. The system will interpret and analyze the information before directly send it to the user. iFast sensors have been tested and chosen based on Malaysian standard MS 1471 to MS 1475 and based on recommendation from the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department. We decided whether to do a collaboration with the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department or becoming a private company instead and act as a middleman to the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department to ensure false alarm and fraud calls. The pricing may vary according to model selected and the type of application, such as high durability, GSM compatible and sonar sensitive option. As the market demands other variations, our team will be on the drawing board for establishing new models based on your feedback. Other potentials: iFast has the potential to be collaborated with virtual assistant AI technology such as Amazon Alexa and Google Nest. And other smart home products developers such as Synf also proved to be a great collaborator for iFast, as the device has the criteria of a smart device. The iFast is registered under copyright number LY 2021 W00464. These are papers published regarding the iFast research and development. We have also obtained industrial collaboration with Cocker Trading and Aura Technologies to future produce the product for the future market. By that, we hope iFast will reduce losses and give the feel of security to the community to feel. Thank you.